Good morning, students. How are you? Enjoyment is very much important for happiness. Happiness is the key to good health and success as well. Our today's topic is festivals. And learning outcomes are learner will be able to understand the meaning and need of social and national festivals, different social and national festivals and their importance. Dear students, India is a country of festivals. We celebrate many festivals. Festivals bring joy for us. They bring us close to one another. Astha, now I give you the opportunity to explain national festivals.
Okay, sir. Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. On this day in 1947, India got freedom from British rule.
Very nice.
Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th of January. On this day, our constitution was implemented in our country. You must have seen the grand parade on TV.
Very good.
Another national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi.
Very well explained. There are some more birthday festivals. Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November. 14th November is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Teachers' Day. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarupalli Radhakrishnan. It is celebrated on 5th September every year. Children show their love and respect for the teachers by giving them flowers and cards. Now let's see how much have you learned till now. Listen carefully and pick out the right answer. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August, 26th January, 2nd October.
15th August.
Right answer. Republic Day is celebrated on 15th of August, 26th January or 2nd October.
26th January.
Once again right. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 15th of August, 26th January, 2nd October.
2nd October.
Very nice. Which of the following is a national festival? Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, all.
All.
Very nice. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 15th of August, 5th September, 2nd October.
5th September.
Very nice. Children's Day is celebrated on 5th September, 2nd October, 14th November.
14th November.
Very good. 5th September is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan और पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
Dr. S. Radhakrishnan.
ये भी सही. 2nd October is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan और पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Very nice. 14th November is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan और पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Very good. You are going along nicely. Astha, now you explain religious festivals.
Okay, sir. Dashehra. Dashehra is celebrated as Lord Rama's victory over Ravana. It is the victory of good over evil. Effigy or dummy of Ravana is burnt. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. On this day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after an exile of 14 years. People decorate their houses with diyas and candles.
Very nice.
Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. It marks arrival of spring season. People apply gulal and colors on each other.
Very good.
Guru Parab. Guru Parab is celebrated to mark the birthday of Sikh Guru Nanak Dev. People go to Gurudwaras and offer prayers. They eat food from common kitchen called langar. Christmas. It is celebrated on 25th of December every year. It is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. People decorate Christmas trees and exchange gifts. Children enjoy gifts brought by Santa Claus.
Very nice.
Eid. Eid is a festival of brotherhood. People wear new clothes and pray in groups at mosques. A dish called sevaiya is distributed and eaten on this day.
Now listen carefully and pick out the correct option. Diwali is a festival of colors, lights, harvest.
Lights.
Very good. Snake boat races are held on Bihu, Onam, Pongal.
Onam.
Good. Langar is served on the day of Eid, Diwali, Guru Parab.
Guru Parab.
Very good. Christmas is celebrated by Hindus, Muslims, Christians.
Christians.
Very nice. Onam is a festival of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam.
Kerala.
Good. Bihu is a festival of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam.
Assam.
Good. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam.
Tamil Nadu.
Good. Students, now it's your turn to tell the names of festivals by seeing the pictures.
Diwali.
Right answer.
Guru Parab.
Correct.
Christmas.
Very nice.
Eid.
Wah bhai wah.
Holi.
Shabash.
Dashehra.
Very good. Dear students, now you have to discuss with your friends and parents. How will you feel if there are no festivals? Dear children, always remain in a festive mood. Thank you and have a nice day.